friends, Jay Sennett. Welcome to another edition of Cooking with Jay. As always like to say I hope you all are doing well. Welcome to my kitchen, and today I'm going to prepare for you something different. Not food, but I'm going to prepare a delicious cocktail with hibiscus. The hibiscus leaves. It's a fabulous tea, and I'm going to make a hibiscus rum cocktail. Okay, so that's what's on this edition of Cooking with Jay. There are a few ingredients I put in this dish. Now, you can drink it hot, like you would hot tea, or you can cool it off and drink it with ice, as a cold drink. Hibiscus is interesting, but let's go over here to the stove because I've been boiling these hibiscus leaves, and I'll show you how I'm going to put this cocktail together. Now, in here, I have some hibiscus leaves, right? Some natural hibiscus leaves. How to make hibiscus tea? Just pluck the leaves out of your garden if you have hibiscus plants out there, and put them in a bunch of water with a little bit of lime juice, some sugar. Now, this beautiful magenta color on these leaves. All I have in here right now are just the hibiscus leaves and water, okay? And I've been boiling this for about 20 minutes, and it's ready. So I'm going to turn up the heat a little bit. Now, the hibiscus leaves, hibiscus it's tangy, okay? So you're going to want to put some sugar or honey or both to sweeten it out a little bit. It's nutrient rich. It's loaded with vitamin C. It's said that hibiscus is great for lowering blood pressure. It's great for losing weight, if you want to leave out all the sugar and stuff. Some people even use it for depression. A lot of things. Great benefits with hibiscus leaves. And again, hibiscus tea, just simple hibiscus tea. But you can also make great sauces with hibiscus leaves, or dessert flavors. Make sauces for desserts or savory sauces with hibiscus. So, all right, so I've been boiling these leaves in the water for about 20 minutes. I have here about a half a cup of brown sugar. All right, I'm using brown sugar in this. Stir this around a little bit. I have a couple of tablespoons of lime juice, freshly squeezed lime juice. Okay, I'm going to put about 4 or 5 cloves in here. Okay, be careful with the cloves because they're pretty strong. They can redefine your whole flavor profiles. I'm going to add a pinch, just a pinch, of nutmeg in here. All right, just a little bit of nutmeg. I'm going to add some red pepper flakes, put a little bit of heat in it, maybe a 1/4 teaspoon or less of red pepper flakes. And I'm going to add some honey. How much honey? Well, that could depend on how much sugar you put in here, but I'm going to put about a 1/4 cup of honey in here. And I have about 4 cups of water in there that I'm boiling the leaves with, and about 3/4 cup of the leaves, okay, with the water. All right, get this honey in here. Yeah, okay. So that, and last but not least, Mr. Rum, or Mrs. Rum, I don't know, one or the other. Now, how much rum? I don't know, maybe, I don't know, half a cup. Okay. Oh, the aroma of this is magnifico. And I just love that color. Wow, just love the color. I'm going to turn this up. I'm making my hibiscus rum cocktail. And I just want to boil this just for a minute or two longer. Now you can order the hibiscus leaves, right? You can order them at different places. I get the organic, all natural, well, it doesn't say organic, but these are dried hibiscus leaves, all natural flavor. There's nothing else added when you look in the ingredients when it says all natural, hibiscus leaves. That's what, right? All natural. And again, keep in mind the potential health benefits with hibiscus. But you can go in so many different directions with this tea leaf, you know. And it's starting to boil a little bit already. There we go. That's what I wanted. Okay. Now what we're going to do, isn't that beautiful, that color? Wow. Color is gorgeous. So again, let me tell you what I have in here. Some brown sugar. I have a little bit of crushed red pepper flakes, some lime juice. I have some honey, a pinch of nutmeg, and rum. I think I have everything. And cloves. That's right. Put a few cloves in there. Okay. So here's what we're going to do. We're going to come over here, back over here to this pan, and I have my strainer here. Okay. Because we want to strain the leaves. Oh, there's always one or two that will get away. In there, hold on, so I can do this. Okay. Now, got a couple of leaves in here, so I'm not going to worry about that. Now here I have a cinnamon stick, okay? But first I want to taste this. Oh man, that's perfect. That is absolutely delicious. But you know what I'm going to do? Because I got some of the leaves in this one. I'm strain it again. There we go. Now, got them all out of that. Now, again, you can serve this hot or cold. And it's absolutely, let me set this up here and move my tomatoes. And it's a beautiful drink. It really is. This is my Hibiscus Rum Cocktail. It's a perfect cold weather drink. There's a tinge of spiciness in it. You have the natural tanginess of the hibiscus leaves. Then you have kind of the sweet and sour thing happening with the lime juice and the brown sugar. I use brown sugar, and I put the honey in there, cloves, a little bit of red pepper flakes, pinch of nutmeg, just a pinch of nutmeg, and some rum, freshly squeezed lime juice. The rum, you can add as much rum as you want. I think I put maybe a half a cup of rum in mine, okay? And that smells incredible. It's delicious. Perfect cold weather drink, and you're going to love it. So try it. Jazzy J's Hibiscus Rum Cocktail. So that's what's happening on this edition of Cooking with Jay. Something kind of different today. Making a cocktail for you. Again, you can serve it hot. You can cool it off. Wait till it cools. Then serve it cold. But on the rocks. Your Hibiscus Rum Cocktail on the rocks. Or drink it like you would hot tea. You know, it's great. And remember, a lot of nutritional value in hibiscus leaves, okay? This whole drink. Yes, you have the sugar, yes, you have the rum, but there's a lot of good nutritional value in this drink. If you have any questions, always feel free to send me an email to j.sennett, that's jae.sinnett at WHRV.org. Cooking with Jay airs Sunday evenings at 6 on the WHRO Public Media Facebook page, starting at 6 o'clock. And it just stays on the page. If you can't watch at 6, you can just scroll down and until you find the show and check it out. You can also see archive editions of Cooking with Jay on the WHRO YouTube channel. Okay, made so many different tasty dishes over the last few years. So I'm gonna go sample my drink, my Hibiscus Rum Cocktail, and in this cold weather, and just warm myself up a little bit. If you make it and you like it, let me know what you think. Okay? All right, be safe, friends. And then until the next edition of Cooking with Jay, we'll see you then. Take care.
Hi everyone, Jay Sennett here. Cooking with Jay is now even more jazzy in my new home with my chef's kitchen. I'd love for you to check it out. Join me Sunday evenings at 6 on Facebook at WHRO Public Media. Let's get cooking.